So yesterday we crossed off this word exact because I wanted to teach not so many things in one day. Today we are going to find the exact circumference and area. What is the only exact way to show pi?
You put 3.14.
3.14. Is that exactly the value of pi? No. Is 3.14159 the exact value? The pi symbol is the only way to do that. And so I actually find this easier because you just leave the pi symbol there. Let's do number 20. 20 is this. 20 says the radius is 3.5 centimeters, and they of course want us to find the circumference and the area, so you have to do both. What's the equation for circumference? Someone raise your hand and tell me. Mr. Hughes. Awesome. Did they tell us the diameter?
No.
No. Can I figure out the diameter?
Yes.
The radius is 3.15, so the diameter is 7. Watch, you guys. 7 pi. You leave the pi symbol because the pi symbol is the only way we know to show all more than 1,000,000 decimal places. And then you put the label. Centimeters. You're done. I love the exact value because you leave the pi symbol there. I know. It's super awesome, Raven. They always put the symbol afterwards because we typically put numbers in the front, and I'm assuming that because we put variables afterwards that we put that symbol even though it's also a number. I only see the exact value with pi symbols in it with the pi symbol at the end. So you need to make sure you put the diameter in the front. How about the area? What's the equation for the area? Area is?
Area equals
Sydney.
pi.
Your names are not all Sydney. What is it, Sydney? Did they give us the radius?
I was raising my hand while saying it.
What's the radius squared? I don't know what 3.5 is squared, but my calculator can tell me. Notice, I'm going to use the squared key. It's 12.25, says my calculator. So I'm going to write 12.25 pi. Done. It's amazing. What's my label? Centimeters squared, because area is always the square value. I could do that, Mrs. Smith.
I can do that.
Ethan, what's your question?
I don't understand how you got the answer.
So this is the diameter, and I leave the pi symbol there. Where did the 12.25 come from? Is that your question for the area?
No, I mean for the circumference.
Where'd the 7 come from? Someone tell us where the 7 came from. That's a good question. Chloe?